Yes, so today was about identifying areas of one of our investee companies' businesses in terms of the opportunities around pricing. So looking into the way they look after their customers, they service their customers, and the value proposition that they provide to them. Spending the time with the management team and the sales team to identify areas of value that they probably haven't captured in the past. And then really building those insights that have come out of the business to try and identify opportunities that we can implement and certain initiatives that would allow them to create more value out of their customers. So I think the highlights were probably just the insights that came out from across the business around some of those different initiatives that they can put in place. So I think articulating the value that they provide to their customers was quite different from the way that they actually sell their product and service at the moment. And then identifying ways that they could do that differently that would actually capture significant greater value around pricing and also allowing them to build their share of wallet across their customer base. Absolutely. So I think pricing is obviously a pretty powerful lever, and to the extent you can sell effectively the same product or solution and sell it for a greater value, obviously you're going to get some incremental margin there. And I think particularly for this business, which was very much a product-based business and did have some elements of commodity in the way that they thought about, or their customers think about their business. They do create a lot of value in terms of service and support, etc., that is different, that differentiates them from their customer base, but they haven't articulated that through their sales and marketing collateral and the way they deliver their message. So I think that was probably some really valuable or powerful insights that they've generated themselves, that then they can then create those initiatives that we talked about and they can go and implement. Yeah, I think it depends a little bit on the target, on the investee. We've talked a little bit with you, Ron, about doing a little bit of work up front as part of that investment thesis development, and sort of thinking really carefully around where you focus. The initiatives that you can put in place at the investee soon after, and then so thinking about it early as part of the diligence process, and then I suppose activating I think the workshops that we've used a few times now have been pretty good in identifying opportunities for margin expansion, and then really leveraging your team to kind of help us really with the implementation. That's been useful. It's been really good.